Welcome to TD Consultant YouTube channel. In this channel, we will give you information about business, lead generation, IT services, IT-enabled services, engineering, and other topics. Now, today's video is about the cold emailing, and you know what is cold emailing. So, this video is about um, that. Now, let's start the video. Now, what is cold email? So before that, I would like to request you to read this disclaimer that this information in this vlog or post is provided for general information only. These may not reflect the current law in your jurisdiction. No information constitutes to legal advice. So now what is cold email? Now the term is used actually, you can read here, but I would like to tell you that this term is used whenever you send an email for commercial purpose to a person or a company which is not known to you. Anybody who is not your friend or known otherwise, known indirectly, you have done the correspondence before as well, you have talked to him, you have taken his or her consent to send him as a commercial email. That is known as the cold email. That is an unsolicited email sent to the recipient without prior contact or relationship. So this is very important. You must know that without any prior relationship, you should not send the email to any person or any company. This is very important. In some countries, this cold emailing looks like a business as usual, but it is not so. Now the internet and everything on the net sometimes is governed by the international laws as well. And there are some countries whose anti-spam law also covers the emails sent to their country. Means that if an email you generate and send it to USA and Canada, Australia, then their law covers that also, that you must not send those things. So that is very important. So now we go to the next slide. See, cold email is legal in Canada. This is now another slide you can see here, very important, that whether it is uh, yeah, sorry, there was a call, so I had to stop the video. Now see, the question is cold email legal in Canada? So it is, the answer is, it is legal. Yes, it is legal. But there is a big but, that you must follow their anti-spam law, Canadian anti-spam law. Spam is what? Spam is that cold email which you are sending without the consent of the recipient, without any relationship, without you know him beforehand. So if you send them email, that is a cold email, and that is illegal if you don't follow the Canadian spam law, CASL. You can go and check their website as well. This is the information available for general uh, purpose or general public. So you have to follow the following 3-4 steps when you want to send an email to anyone in Canada. Now, number one, consent. Obtain express or implied consent from recipient, right? You must take the consent from the recipient. He must opt, he must say yes when you when he visits or she visits your landing page, website, etc. And you must have provision to take the consent of any recipient who visits your site. So number two is the identification. Clearly identify the sender and provide contact information. If you are a sender, there must be your physical address in the email, your phone number, your either email address or website URL, but you must identify yourself. Then unsubscribe mechanism. Suppose I give you a consent that you can send me a commercial email, fine, through the step one. Then what? In your email, there should be a very, very easy button which says unsubscribe anytime or whatever. But unsubscribe button or mechanism should be very clear, must be very, very clear. So this I have taken directly from their website, which is for the public. Now, is the cold emailing legal in USA? Yes, same answer, yes. But you again have to follow US CAN Spam Act. This CAN is not for Canada. I don't know what is this, but this is not for Canada. So USA Spam Act also says, you see, consent, identification, unsubscribe, and content requirement. Avoid misleading subject, lines, headers. Now, in your email, if you are giving email and following all the steps, but your content should be relevant. Whatever you are advertising, whatever is your product, whatever is your services, your contents in the email must be relevant to that. No misleading claims, no false claims, nothing like that. So that is very important. Now, our services include, you can stop and check it. You can go to our website also, tdconsultant.ca. So see, these are the services which are provided by TD Consultants in the business area, lead generation, and we also conduct webinar, virtual events for our clients. And these are the IT services we provide, web hosting, seamless system integration. And our team consists of the senior engineers and the qualified PhD level computer science experts. So please share this video lecture, subscribe our channel, and also contact us if you need any of the services which are mentioned over here. Thank you very much for listening, and we will soon upload another video about these business related and IT related topics on this channel. Once again, thank you very much.